Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M21 and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel where we will find the toggle for it, so power mode, and you can hold it. This will take us to the settings where we have a couple options of it. So we have the optimized, medium power saving and maximum power saving. Now medium saving is probably the optimal way of going if you want to save power, battery, but don't want the device to be almost useless. So you can see right now, by enabling this, extends your battery life by 2 days and 5 hours, and it will turn off always on display and also limit your CPU speed to 70%, so you use about 30% of the performance on your device, and also drops the brightness by 10%. Now this can also be changed. You can also disable the things that you don't want, and you can immediately see the difference in the time that will have on it. And once you have it set the way you want, tap on apply. We'll go through this animation, and there we go, it's done. And now the power saving mode is enabled, and you can see it right here. The check mark is now blue, meaning it's on. Now, as you've seen, there was the maximum power saving mode, so I will enable that just to show it to you. But you can immediately see the drastic difference in battery life. So this goes up to basically a week, and also still has the same options that the previous one did. So turns off all on display, and CPU is limited to 70, brightness same. So yeah, but once we tap on apply, you'll immediately see the difference in how it looks like. And here we go. So you can see now this is the normal looking home screen, and you're limited to a bunch of apps right here, so you can see, and they're fairly minimal in terms of settings. You don't have access to majority of the things. Apps also, you don't really have much access to a lot of apps, and this will, as you can see, save the battery drastically. So we have now 7 days and 8 hours remaining in this mode, so it does increase the battery life drastically. And as you can see, also your notification panel is limited, and you're limited basically to the most important apps like messages, phones, browser, and that's about it. Now if you want to leave it, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle, and this will turn it off, and it goes back to normal. And as you can see, the things that it did right here was restrict background data, limit number of usable, apps, enable dark mode, turn off biometrics, so fingerprint sensor was not working, and location, background location services were also disabled. So it did limit your device quite significantly, but also gave you that extra battery life if you needed it. But those were the two ways you can go about saving your battery, and if you found them helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.